Hey, Dr. Edgardo Vargas with Pro Holistic Care channel. Today I want to talk about digestion. I'm a chiropractor, a functional nutritionist. I do nutrition and a wellness consultant. I want to talk about when you feel bloated, you feel discomfort in your stomach, and sometimes you don't know what's going on and it's frustrating. I know a lot of people that just constantly, weekly have this problem from gas to bloatiness, to just feeling awful with digestion. So I have a few things I want to mention that you can start practicing right away. We can hear all these beautiful spring people doing the landscaping and everything, so bear with me right here. So number one, avoid junk food. Just eliminate the junk food. Be cautious with coffee and alcohol that tend to irritate the digestive system, and the irritation can last for a long time and also can prevent you absorb nutrients, so it can create a long-term problem. So let's start with that one. Now, we also know foods they can create irritation. You don't like them, avoid them. That's an allergy reaction. So that's number one. Number two, pretty much you can work with rotation diet. Now, it's very difficult by itself, but you can do, this is what we recommend, a food allergy sensitivity test. I'm gonna put the link right here. For me, eggs, bananas, and strawberries, if I eat them more than once a week, I can digest very well, have pain and discomfort. So I rotate it. I don't eat those food every 5 days, pretty much. So that's a food allergy test, and number two. Number three, you have to take care of your back pain and also abdominal fat, because those ones create inflammation to the nerve in the digestive system, and you might have a problem where your digestive system is not working efficiently because your back is suffering, you don't have enough flexibility, or because you have fat around your organs, which is very inflammatory. So one is weight loss, one is taking care of your back. We can help you here. You can contact us, or you can just try to do that yourself. And number four and last one, I use a nutrient, and because when I abuse with coffee or maybe alcohol, I have this discomfort in the stomach, and I use it for prevention. I use it also when I have the symptom, which is a probiotic and a digestive enzyme blend. Now, digestive enzymes are anti-inflammatory, they help you absorb nutrients, help you relax the digestive system. We all have them, but we can supplement ourselves, and probiotics can help you with the digestion all the way down for the colon. So I'm gonna put the link for the one that helped me the most. It's a digestive enzyme provided together, and so that way you can maybe order it. So if you have any question, concern, please contact us. We're here to help you, and I hope you can use these strategies to improve your digestive system. At Pro Holistic Care, we work heavily with those patients from babies to adults with digestive problems. So if you can use our help, please contact us and share this information, like us, and talk to you soon. Dr. Edgardo Vargas, Pro Holistic Care channel. Thank you so much. Bye.